Have you ever dreamed of arguing a case, upholding justice, or making the major impact on the world? Then studying law in Australia must be the perfect choice for you. But there must be so many questions swirling in your head, like, is it right for me? What are the application steps? How much does it cost? Then don't worry, we've got you covered. At Seoul Education and Migration, we are experts in helping international students like you achieve your goals to study law in Australia. Before starting this video, please hit subscribe and turn on bell notifications so that you never miss updates about Australia study and migration. Now let's answer all the questions, then I will provide you a complete roadmap of studying law in Australia. So why? Why do you have to choose Australia to study law? First, Australia has a lot of universities that are well known for its teaching method and academic excellence. So you will learn from leading legal minds and practical skills from courtroom simulations and internships. And plus, Australia has a diverse and multicultural society, perfect for expanding your horizons and developing your global perspective. Now, let's dive into nitty-gritty. What are key steps to apply? Starting with the first option, that is, research your options, explore some universities and programs to find the best match for your interests and goals. Some of the popular law courses in Australia available are Graduate Certificate in Applied Law, Graduate Diploma in Commerce and Business Law, Juris Doctor, Bachelor or Master of Law, and PhD. Talking about the entry requirements, for bachelor courses, the applicant is required to have completed year 12 or a diploma course with a minimum GPA of 5 out of 7 in any discipline. For the IELTS requirements, 6.5 with no less than 6. Some of the universities do ask for a score of 7 for writing and speaking skills. For the master course or higher, applicants are usually required to have completed a bachelor's degree, 2 years of relevant work experience, and attained IELTS 6.5 to 7, with no individual band below 6.5. Then, what are career outcomes after studying law in Australia? You can be a lawyer, paralegal, barrister, judge, or legal officer and assistant. And the majors you consider studying are mentioned on the screen. Now, which universities offer these courses? Some of popular unis are the University of Queensland, the University of Wollongong, the University of New South Wales, Bond University, and many more mentioned on the screen. Most of these universities offer both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Not sure which university to apply for? That's easy. Contact Seoul Education for free consultation and free admission process. Becoming a lawyer in Australia involves specific educational and professional pathways. Let's break it into 5 steps. Step 1, obtain a qualified degree. Start by completing an undergraduate law degree. This typically takes 4 years of full-time study. Step 2, complete practical legal training. After obtaining your law degree, you will need to undertake a practical legal training program, which is called PLT. PLT provides practical experience and skills necessary for your legal practice. This training will be under the supervision of an experienced lawyer and can take up to 3 to 4 months. Step 3. Apply for admission to practice. Once you've completed your PLT, you can apply to be admitted to practice law in your respective state or territory. Each state and territory in Australia has its admission authority. You will need to submit an application and meet their specific requirements. Step 4. Serve a supervised legal practice period. After admission, most jurisdictions in Australia require newly admitted lawyers to serve a supervised legal practice period, often referred to as a practical legal training period or articles of clerkship. During this period, you will work under the supervision of an experienced lawyer or law firm. Step 5. Obtain a practicing certificate. To practice law independently, you will need to obtain a practicing certificate from the relevant legal authority in your jurisdiction. This certificate allows you to work as a solicitor or barrister. Moving forward with the motivation of permanency after studying law in Australia, let's talk about the first step, skill assessment. After completing law degree in Australia, you do not need skill assessment, but an admission as a solicitor. And then you're eligible for 189, 190, 491, employer-sponsored visa, and there are so many options. I know there are still a lot of questions in your head, like study duration, cost, etc. All the answers for these questions are found on our website and the link in the description. But remember, you're not alone in this journey. Seoul Education and Migration offer personalized guidance and support throughout the whole process. From choosing the right university to settling in Australia, we're here to ensure your success. So, are you ready to start your exciting legal journey in Australia? Take the first step today. Contact Seoul Education and Migration and let's turn your dream into reality. Fill out the form on our website and one of our specialized agents will reach you out soon. So this is Nina signing off. I'll see you in the next video.